Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Stripe Tax for tracking crypto-related business expenses, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Stripe Tax for tracking crypto-related business expenses, start by visiting the official Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Tax section on the left sidebar. Click on Tax to access the Stripe Tax features. If you don't see it, make sure that your account is set up for Stripe Tax services. Next, locate the download option for Stripe Tax. This option may appear as a button or link within the Tax section. Click on the Download button to initiate the download process. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either download automatically or prompt you to choose a download location. Select your preferred location to save the file on your device. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your device's File Explorer. Double-click the file to open it. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Stripe Tax software on your system. After installation, launch the application from your device. You will be prompted to log in to your Stripe account within the application. Enter your credentials and click Login. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the features specifically designed for tracking crypto-related business expenses. To start tracking expenses, navigate to the relevant section of the application. Input your crypto transactions manually or import them from your preferred wallets or exchanges. Make sure to categorize each transaction according to your business needs. Utilize any automation features available to simplify your tracking process. Keep an eye on the reporting tools within Stripe Tax for insights into your expenses. Review your data regularly to ensure accuracy and compliance with tax regulations. Remember to stay informed on any updates from Stripe regarding tax tracking functionalities. Regularly consult with a financial advisor to maximize your tax efficiency when it comes to crypto-related transactions. By following these steps, you can effectively download and set up Stripe Tax for managing your crypto business expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.